Don't ever put your body parts outside the elevator.
Here is a freight elevator here outside of Macy's at Town East Mall in Mesquite, Texas. Let's go down to one. Manual Harris-Preble doors. The Dover.
Is it a bend?
Nope.
Dover?
Just regular Dover.
Oh, I didn't know.
This is where it lands out here. Let's get our cab view. Basic Dover freight elevator. I like the LED upgrades. Here are fixtures. I believe this is CJ. This is. I'm not sure if it's armor or probably GAL. Hands-free Haloline phone. That looks like a King's 3 phone. Capacity 5,000 pounds. Let's go up to 2. Alright, let's go on 1. Very quiet interlocks. I like the old wood floors, those are nice. Wood floors, those are always nice. Dover. Installed in 1971. Here you are, 1. Ooh, someone got a little foul mouthed in here. Look over there. Ooh, someone got foul mouthed in here. This is why I always think Harris-Preble doors are mid. Alright, there's your look. Let's close the door. Get that. Oh, that strap's in there. Oh, that strap's tricky. Heavier than expected. Jeez. Oh, relays. That's it.